cryptocurrency market is falling again. But guess what? Now is the time to earn more money with crypto. Although due to world events the market is falling, crypto tech is improving and many developments have taken place in the crypto space, leading to the development of new crypto coins and NFT platforms. And for those who wish to invest in crypto but have a lack of capital, don't worry. In this video, we bring you the top 5 altcoins under $1 to buy right now, so make sure you stick till the end. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. The first altcoin we brought for you today is the Lucky Block. Now we've talked about it before, but overall, this altcoin stands out to be one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022. We've put Lucky Block to be our number 1 as this crypto platform seeks to revolutionize the lottery industry. It was hosted on the Binance Smart Chain, and the Lucky Block uses blockchain technology to revamp traditional lotteries by improving transparency, reducing draw times, and increasing each person's chance of winning. One thing that we loved about the Lucky Block is that the Lucky Block tokens form the foundation of its ecosystem, with a portion of the fees being distributed back to the holders as a reward. If you are looking to buy this token, then you will find it just around $0.0056 US per Lucky Block, 43% below the all-time high of 1 cent. The second altcoin that we think that you should try and consider is Cardano. Cardano is one of the best altcoins with an exceptional development team, and although in the past few months Cardano's been going through it, this is an open source blockchain network that does have excellent prospects for the future. And just like Ethereum, Cardano acts as a platform for developers to build apps and launch smart contracts. Cardano's system is designed by experts and use peer-reviewed literature, and due to this, businesses will likely find Cardano as a safer option as compared to other blockchain platforms. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Cardano token today at only 97 cents. The third altcoin that you should consider for 2022 is Ripple. Ripple is an exciting altcoin with huge potential, and in case you didn't know, Ripple is the company behind RippleNet, which is simply a payment and exchange network that offers faster and cheaper money transfers than banks. And by using XRP, the network's native token, as a bridge, users worldwide can exchange money regardless of its currency type. Furthermore, cross-border payments arrive almost instantly, which is a major difference to current traditional systems. We all understand the kind of demand for speedier transactions, and now cryptocurrencies such as XRP will likely be more widely used, and this makes XRP an excellent investment opportunity, not only for this year, but also for years to come. If you want to invest in Ripple, one Ripple token is currently trading at right around 79 cents. The number 4 best altcoin that's below $1 US is the Shiba Inu. Now this is a promising cryptocurrency that you guys should consider to buy just due to its meme coin status. Shiba came onto the scene in October of 2021 when the coin exploded over 1,000% within 1 month. This meme coin is a sister to Dogecoin because much of its appeal is just based on the hype. And it's projected that the Shiba price will continue to skyrocket throughout 2022 as world events come to rest. And the price currently, for those interested, is $0.000027 US. Lastly on our list is the Algorand. This is a pure proof-of-stake stablecoin blockchain network built by Silvio Macati, With exceptional smart contract functionality and backed by an experienced development team, Algorand could be one of the best altcoins to invest in 2022. And for those who have an interest in this altcoin, its current price today is right around 86 cents. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.